Getting money in and out is fundamental to any platform, and with Lemonway, you have several key options. But what separates a card payment from a direct debit, a bank transfer, or a check? Let's break down the differences. Card payment *. This is all about speed and convenience. When a user pays with a debit or credit card, the transaction is typically immediate. Lemonway supports major cards like Visa and MasterCard. The key characteristic here is the instantaneous confirmation, making it ideal for point-of-sale or quick online purchases. The payer initiates the one-off transaction using their card details. Direct debit *. Unlike a card payment, which is initiated by the payer each time, a direct debit is a pull payment initiated by the merchant or business, in this case, via Lemonway, once the payer has given prior authorization or a mandate. This is perfect for recurring payments, like subscriptions. The transfer isn't instant. It usually takes a few business days to process, but it's automated and reliable, removing the risk of an expired card. Bank transfer *. This is a push payment, meaning the payer manually initiates the transfer from their bank account to the Lemonway payment account, using the provided bank details and a unique reference. Transfers are reliable for larger or less frequent payments. The processing time can vary, often taking 1 to 3 business days, and correct referencing is crucial for Lemonway to allocate the funds correctly. Cheque *. This is the most traditional, and typically the slowest, method. With Lemonway, checks are mainly accepted for specific markets, like France, and only in euros. It involves a paper instrument, which must be physically received and processed. This results in a significantly delayed payment confirmation compared to the electronic methods. It's often reserved for situations where electronic payment isn't feasible. In short, card payments are instant for immediate purchases. Direct debits are automated for regular, recurring amounts. Bank transfers are manual and great for larger sums, with a slight delay. Checks are paper-based, slow, and niche. Choosing the right method depends entirely on the speed, automation, and convenience your transaction needs.